Hello, here is Long and welcome to my own story.
Okay, now let's begin.
Cock and bird.
So far,
Far, far away from now. Cock was the animal which flies so high and fast. In the annual flying race, the cock was always the fastest animal. Fly to the goal first. Every animal admired Cock very much, and Cock was so proud of that. At the same time, Bird had Bird had terrible skill in flying. Actually, Bird just could fly for about 4 or 5 meters. Then he fell into the ground. So, in the race, Bird always was the last animal came to the goal. Other animal laughed at Bird, and Bird felt so sad. But flying fast and high was the passion of Bird, so Bird decided to find a new coach. Of course, Bird admired Cock a lot and asked Cock to become Bird's coach, and Cock accepted. The next tomorrow, Bird immediately put his hand into practicing flying. As usual, when Bird took off from the land for about 4 or 5 meters, he could not continue flying and he failed. Bird tried again, but he up and down, up and down, up and down, and he failed again, and again. Instead of encouraging Bird keep practicing flying, Cock just stood at one place and laughed at Bird. Poor Bird. Cock said to Bird, "You are bad. You cannot fly. Give up." but Bird felt he seemed he had no ability to fly, so he quit and he get drunk every day. Okay, but flying was Bird's passion, so he made it again. At this time, Bird practiced himself. He set small goals. First, he tried fly for about 10 meters, then is 20 meters, and move on 40 meters, and finally he flied for far distance. Every day he practiced from morning to afternoon. In the morning, Bird practiced for 3 hours and 2 hours in the afternoon. When Bird was practicing, Cock did nothing. Every day, Cock just hang out, hang out with friends and told to everyone, "I am the best. I am no one." Day by day, he daydreamed about the top no one at the flying race. Although he thought with his skill, no one can catch up with him. About Bird, with his persistence unstoppable, within 2 months he passed his first goal. 3 months he completed the second goal, and 4 months for the third goal, and finally he won himself. He could fly to anywhere he wanted. And then The time come. The flying competition come. The cock was confident to become richer gone first. And the bird, he just thought he had to try his best. In the race, the cock could not fly high and fast as before. He tried in vain and finally he got out of the race. And what about Bird? Bird was flying well. He fly and passed each competitor and go to the goal first. And finally, he cannot believe that he could not believe that he was a champion. Okay, thank you for listening.